what is up guys? This is Ronny, your go-to instructor if you want to learn how to design with Canva. If you are new to the channel and have not yet subscribed, and yes, I've seen in the analytics, 80% of you guys are watching our videos and you're not subscribed. What a shame. This is the place where we upload new Canva tutorial every week. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification button as well so you never miss our tutorials. I'm telling you, brand new tutorials every week. All right, so let's get to today's topic, how to upload your own audio into Canva. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different projects that cover working with audio, right? So if you go directly to Canva and try to upload audio, you will quickly realize you cannot upload your own audio because only mp4 format can be uploaded into Canva so far, the video format. So in the first project, I am going to show you how you can import your own songs into Canva. So for this, I have here a video, right? This is a simple video. It has no sound so far. It's just a video of the sky and a nice time lapse of a sunset, right? So I want to add audio here and I want to add my own song because yes, there are a lot of tracks in Canva, but I am a music producer. Let's pretend I am a music producer and I have my own beats. It seems impossible to upload them into Canva. So the workaround is this. So first, let me show you, I have here my beat. Okay, so this is a song offered to me by a friend of mine called Kia, right? So I have Kia beat 1 mp3 here. The problem is that I cannot upload that directly into Canva. If I'm trying to upload, you see, I can go to my computer, I will go to my desktop, but the Kia beat track is not available because it's an mp3. All right, so there is a work around that. Let me cancel that. So first, you will have to go to the internet and you will type here this sentence right here, mp3 to mp4 online video converter. So you have a couple of options. I've tried Zamzar, which is good, but you will have to have a limit. You have a limit of 2 tracks that you can upload per video. So I don't recommend this one, but I did try other ones as well. And this one, Video Online Convert, this one was pretty good. So if I'm here, convert mp3 to mp4, that's what I want. I just choose my file. Then now I can upload my Kia beat file right here. I'm going to upload that into Video Online Convert. You see here Kia beat is going to upload. It's pretty fast, depending on the length of your track, of course. So now it's ready. I can start the conversion. You see I have a bunch of ads and stuff, so just disregard them, or you can subscribe and pay a fee if you don't want to see the ads, but this is working fine for me. I can ignore the ad for now. I'm gonna just swipe up. And there it is, my Kia beat mp4 is ready. It's here. I'm just going to bring it to my desktop as well. Great. Now I can see the beat is here. Let me put it right here under the Kia beat sound right here. Okay, can go back to Canva. And now I'm gonna try to upload that again from my computer. And you can see Kia beat mp4, it's right here. I'm gonna upload that. And it's going to be uploaded under my videos right here. So you see it's processing and you can see it right here. Okay, so now I have this, I can bring it, right? If you bring it into your video, because I have here a video in a frame. So what I can do, I can move my frame slightly, click here, insert my video. You see it's here, this is my beat. What I'll do, let me stop this. I'm gonna make this very small, like this. And I'm going to work with this. So I'm gonna crop this. To find, what I want to do is to find the right footage. This one is 21.5 seconds. So I want 21.5 seconds of this. song right here. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this to 21.5 seconds. 21.5, like this. Right, so now the track is here and I have this video on top of it. How can I do it? I can either give this one some transparency, 100%, and now I can move this back on top. If I use the preview button here, now I have my track playing in the background. I can download this as a video and you will see that I have both the sound of my track and the video from Canva. Now, disclaimer here, guys, it is super important that you don't use songs for which you don't have any copyright. So in this case, this is a song from my friend Kia Orion. He's a friend of mine. He gave me the rights to use this track that he created. So I know I have everything I need legally to be able to use this track. So I guess that's one of the reasons why Canva doesn't let you upload your own audio as of now, because there is this issue with the copyrights of the songs. But if you are the owner of the track, by all means, go ahead, use this workaround, and this is how you upload your own tracks, your own songs, or it could be some sound effects, it could be some anything really that you want to upload. All right, so now I have my project right here. I'm gonna open this, show in Finder. I'm going to play this and show you that it works. See? I have my time lapse, I have my beat. It's pretty cool. All right, that's the first project I wanted to show you guys. Now moving on to the second project. Second project is this. Let's imagine I have a podcast every week and I want to create a short snippet that kind of, yes, introduces the podcast for this week. I want to promote my next episode, let's say with an Instagram post. So I created this Instagram post. It has some animation. And here you can see the cover of my podcast that is going to release at the end of the week. So I want people to kind of get hyped up and then to look forward to this episode. So by all means, this is a real episode. If you want to watch it, you can click on this button right here and see the video of Kia interviewing me. Actually, it's he interviewing me. So it's the story of basically how I get to where I am today. If you are interested in that, you can watch this video. All right, so let me show you what I wanted to do here. I have this, and I'm not going to put the whole podcast here because it's over an hour. I don't want to do this. I want to simply kind of record myself a little bit announcing this podcast. So what I did, I have this recorder right here, and what you could do this with your phone, you could do this with anything you have handy really. So I recorded myself and I said, hey guys, this week I interviewed Kia, or actually Kia interviewed me, etc., etc. And so I had this just with the simple SD card that I can transfer the audio to my computer. So what I ended up with is a wave sound, see? I have this podcast promo wave. So again, I cannot import that into Canva, but now we know kind of how to do it. So I'm going to go back to my website here. Okay, so I have that here, can bring it to Canva, and you will see it will appear here as a video as well. So exactly the same thing. I can click here. Now I have this. Hey peeps, this week I had Mr. Kia Orion on the podcast. Okay, you see, so it's my little spiel right here where I explain what I'm doing. So first I'm going to reduce the volume because I noticed this is too... Now I have adjusted the volume to something that is okay for me. What I want to do is to get rid of this little, hey peep, you see this little 2 seconds at the beginning where this week there is like me, like the sound of me grabbing the microphone. So for this, just click on your video with your voice, click on the cut. One thing that I don't like so much about Canva is that you cannot move your time indicator on the audio as fast as you want. You cannot skip to the end of the video. So hopefully this will be improved in the future. So now let's come back to our design. I have my post here and I don't want to see this big black rectangle. So I can make it smaller, of course, and I'm going to use the same thing as before. So I can move this behind everything. So I could position and put that in the back. It is in the back, but it's still visible. So I'm just going to make it 100% transparent. And now it's not visible.
Hey, peeps,
I have,
this week I had Mr. Kia.
this is the preview. So everything's good. Everything is moving and I want to export this similarly. So I'm going to download this as an MP4 and it's going to be downloaded with my sound over this animation. So this could work for any kind of project. You could use this to create voiceovers. You could use this to basically announce something like I just did. Just one restriction though, you have to have your design entirely on one page, because if you have different pages, then your video or your audio is going to start over. So it's not gonna, your voiceover cannot be spread across different pages. Everything needs to be in one page. Let's listen to the video that we just created here.
Hey peeps, this week I had Mr. Kia Orion on the podcast. We discussed for about an hour. Listen to this podcast.
All right, I think it's good. I could have left a little bit more time at the end of it. You will have to kind of play around to find the optimal length of your audio track, but that's what I wanted to show you. And then last but not least, I have a last project here, like kind of like a beatboxing project, because in my free time, I like to try the beatboxing. So let me show you. I want to show this very simple sequence, BTK, TK, BBK. So what is this? If you're not familiar to beatboxing, you probably don't understand, but there are three basic sounds in beatboxing: the B, the T, and the K. So the BTK, TK, BBK is something like that. Well, that's me beatboxing. I'm not the best beatboxer in the world, but let's say I want to create this post, because let's imagine I create tutorials, which is not true, about beatboxing. So if you want to add your beatbox, similarly, I will have the same technique. So I have done that. I have my beatbox with Ronny here, aifc. It's a .aifc. So you can use the same website and bring that to your post. So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to speed up this process because we've seen it already, but it's the same exact process. So just using this. Okay, so I'm back to Canva. I'm going to upload this new sound. So beatbox with Ronny.mp4. This is it. Just uploading it to my Canva right here. It's going to show in my video. So it's processing for a short while. And now I can use it. It's here. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, so it's about right here till 5 seconds. So again, I'm going to click on my scissors right here. All right, so now I have the perfect loop. I can just click done and make this transparent. And there we have it. All right, I can now export this MP4. And this is the final result, guys. All right, if you play this in a loop, it will just play again and again and again, and that is going to be super nice on Facebook. So there you have it, 3 different projects, 3 different ways of working with audio directly into Canva. These are workarounds. Don't forget the copyright issues and that you have to be the owner of your sound. This is super important. And that is how you use Canva to work with audio. If you want to learn more, for example, how to use video, how to use animation with Canva, I strongly suggest you continue watching our tutorial on the channel, or even better, you subscribe to the channel so you never miss our beautiful tutorials every week. That's it for me. That was Ronny. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.